There are two logs that you have to sign. First, the operating log, which records when an engineer goes on and off duty, the power output of the transmitter every hour, when the station goes on and off the air, and a check of our tower lights. Oh, by the way, do you have a license?
Yes.
All right. Now sign your name exactly as it appears on your license, and be sure to use Army time. You know, 1700, 1230, all that. Now sign the program log. This keeps track of what goes over the air. It has the length of time a program is on, and also what type of show it is.
Okay, all signed up.
Now you're ready to turn the remote control on. You'll find it behind you in the rack on the right side. It's the white panel there, the one with the phone dial. Now throw the switch in the upper left-hand corner to on. This allows you to prepare to broadcast. Remote controls allow the engineer at the station to operate and control the transmitter, which is usually located miles away. In our case, the transmitter is located on Mitchell Field in Garden City. Now dial 0. You calibrate the meter by adjusting the knob on the left. Get the needle to match up with the calibration line on the meter. Now go back to the board and sit down. In order to hear what's going on over the air, always set the monitor select switch on your left to FM and turn the volume up. When signing on from this room, always use the program channel. Set the aux select switch on your right to program. Now let me tell you exactly how what you're playing now goes over the air. The audio from either the turntable, a tape machine, or maybe your voice runs into the control board in front of you through one of the channels. From there, it's sent to a pre-amplifier, which strengthens the signal and sends it through the switcher and down a phone line. It travels to the transmitter through these circuits running from the phone company, just as a regular phone conversation does. Again, it passes through amplifiers to strengthen the signal. Once it reaches the transmitter site, the lines feed into the transmitter. These meters are similar to the remote control back at the station. This is our transmitter. Here the signal is boosted and sent out over the airwaves. The transmitter then sends the amplified signal through the transmission lines and up the tower to the antenna. From there, the signal is sent out in the form of radio waves. To be picked up with an FM radio by the listener.
But now that I'm home again, you know that I'm home to stay. I call this a miracle, a true blue miracle, a miracle come true. Way together, baby, I was going crazy.
Continuing on with the music, our featured artist for tonight, Weather Report.
WBAU is 90.3 FM and 640 AM and is a college radio station on the campus of Adelphi University. It is a student activity run by the students. It is designed to provide experience for students through a variety of programming. It has been a good basis for jobs in the field of radio for many people. 640 AM is heard only on campus and is the training ground for WBAU. It is where some of the students get the experience and airtime they need to get an FM slot. 90.3 FM is the part of the station that is a community service. It is subjected to the same laws and standards as any other station on the FM dial. There are legal requirements set up by the FCC that WBAU FM must abide by. WBAU has 390 watts effective radiated power. It is also a primary relay station in the event of an emergency for the emergency broadcast system. WBAU is one of the best and major educational stations in New York. 5 major departments run WBAU. They are the news, engineering operations, the business, music programming, and informational programming departments. The news department's aim is to serve the community and to present the local news of Long Island. The engineering operations department teaches prospective engineers and gives training in operating the equipment. The business department handles the finances of the station. A radio station is in many ways a business, and it has to be run like one. The music programming department schedules a wide variety of music required by the FCC, since WBAU is an educational station. The informational programming department presents interviews with community leaders and covers aspects of relevant daily news. WBAU is an affiliate of United Press International and belongs to the Intercollegiate Broadcasting System. The IBS is an organization that many college stations belong to. They give us valuable services such as keeping us informed on FCC regulations. WBAU is stereo on FM and reaches primarily Nassau County. It also reaches some parts of Suffolk County, Connecticut, New York City, and New Jersey. WBAU has an average of 50 active members and 100 total members. Active members are people who come in more than just once a week and who serve a definite role in running the station. Many people who have worked at WBAU in the past have gone on to get excellent jobs all over the country. Former staff members are now engineers at 99X, disc jockeys at many stations including WNEW-FM and WLIR. Some have gotten jobs in sales as well. To get these kinds of jobs, you have to go through the various training procedures at WBAU. Engineering means getting experience working with the equipment. In sales, department members sell airtime for commercials that are run on AM. In news, people are responsible for presenting the news properly and efficiently. The sports department trains personnel to present the most up-to-date sports and give total coverage of the local teams. The disc jockey presents a personality to the listening audience. The Board of Trustees of Adelphi University owns the license of WBAU, but it is run by the students with Susan O'Connell as the general manager. WBAU shares its time with WHPC, which is Nassau Community College's station. WHPC is on the air from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. WBAU signs on at 5 and continues to 1 a.m. the next morning. 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year. WBAU is financed by the Student Political Association, the SPA. The total budget is approximately $20,000 a year to run the station. WBAU's engineering staff is among the best in New York. The technical advisor, John Schmidt, worked for NASA on the lunar module design and designed WBAU. He is currently a design engineer for ABC TV. Our technical director, Matt Restivo, works for a talking computer firm and has done lighting for such rock stars as Stevie Wonder, Joni Mitchell, and many other top artists. WBAU's production manager produces professional commercials nationwide, and WBAU rents their facilities to professionals. Some of the programming at WBAU includes the sounds of the 50s, where listeners can once again hear those great old tunes right out of the 1950s. Bill Dougherty is the host that brings back memories of the good old days.